The green-colored sea was under him with little ridges. Ridges are the wavy edges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. And then he moved his beak towards one side and made a cawing sound. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead him. Green flooring is the green surface of water. So his parents, his brothers and sister all had already landed on this green floor of the sea. They were beckoning to him. Now, all the five, means the parents, father and mother, two brothers, and one sister, had already taken their position, and now they were giving the signals to this seagull also to come over that green surface. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. Then he dropped his legs to stand so that he could stand on the sea. Seagull is the bird that swims in the sea, and it can move on the water surface also. So all the five were already on the water surface, and now this seagull had also to join them. So his legs sank into it. उसकी टांगे जैसे पानी में गई, he screamed with fright. वो चिल्लाया डर के मारे, and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. और उसने फिर से उड़ना चाहा, अपने wings को फैलाया, but he was tired and weak with hunger and could not rise. लेकिन उसने पिछले दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया था. That's why he was feeling very hungry. उसको बड़ी भूख लगी हुई थी, and he was not able to stand. He was not able to move now. He was not able to fly now. Exhausted by the strange exercise, and he was very much exhausted with this exercise by doing so. His feet sank into the green sea, and his feet sank into the green sea. His feet were there in the sea water now, and then his belly touched it. और क्या हुआ, वो जब पानी में था, पानी के ऊपर मूव कर रहा था, when he was moving on the surface of the sea, at that time his belly touched it. उसके जो पेट था वो वाटर सरफेस के को छू रहा था, and he sank no farther. और इससे ज्यादा वो डूब नहीं रहा था, because the things which are heavier than water, those things sink in water, those things drown in water. So the bird, seagull, was lighter than water. That's why it was not sinking, but it was moving over the water. He was floating in on it. वो तैर रहा था, and around him his family was screaming. और इसके आसपास इसकी फैमिली चिल्ला रही थी, praising. Who is showing this video? Who is this? He was floating on it, and around him his family was also there. Family was screaming, praising him. The family was praising him that finally he had gathered enough courage to float in the water, to fly above the sky. मतलब अब फैमिली खुश थी कि चलो, उसने इतना साहस किया था कि वो पानी में के ऊपर उड़ रहा था, समुद्र के ऊपर उड़ रहा था, और वो समुद्र में भी जा रहा था. And around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. Dogfish is a type of fish. Now the family was praising him. All the family members were having the praising words for this seagull, In praise and to make this seagull very happy, they were giving him dogfish to eat. He had made his first flight, and so it was the first flight of this bird. So, with this, the reading of chapter number 3, part 1 is complete. You need to do the questions of the exercise yourself. Tomorrow, we'll continue with the question answers. Means tomorrow we'll discuss the questions. आप अपने करोगे and I will be telling you the answers of these questions. Let us read the questions once. Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? यंग सीगल को उड़ने से डर क्यों लगता था? डू यू थिंक ऑल यंग बर्ड्स अफ्रेड टू मेक देयर फर्स्ट फ्लाइट? क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जितने भी बर्ड्स होते हैं जब उन्होंने फर्स्ट फ्लाइट लेनी होती है दे आर अफ्रेड ऑफ, कि दे आर फियरफुल, उनके मन में डर होता है? यस, इट इज राइट. Whenever we take first flight, whenever it is our first experience for any type of work, we are always afraid of. It is not only the example of the birds, but it is simple human tendency also. Or are some birds more timid than other? या कुछ ऐसा होता है कि कुछ एक birds ज्यादा डरपोक होते हैं दूसरे birds से? Do you think a human baby also finds it a challenge to take its first steps? फिर क्या है? They have compared it with human life. Okay, is it a challenge for human baby also to start the work for the very first time, to take a new step in any field? Second is, the sight of the food maddened him. When the mother was cutting the fish, it was a very maddening sight for seagull. What does this suggest? इससे क्या पता चलता है? Next is, they were beckoning to him. Beckoning is they were signaling to him. They were giving him signals, calling shrilly, and they were calling him shrilly, calling in shrilly voice. Why did the seagull's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? Next is, have you ever had a similar experience where your parents encouraged you to do something that you were too scared to try? Means if you have faced any problem like the bird seagull in your life also, then you can relate that experience. कि क्या आपके साथ भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको कुछ काम करने को बोला हो और आपको डर लगा? Next is, in the case of a bird flying, it seems a natural act. कि birds की जो flying है वो हमें natural चीज लगती है, and a foregone conclusion that it should succeed. और ऐसा लगता है कि ये एक ऐसा decision है कि birds जो है वो successful होते हैं. In the examples you have given in answer to the previous question, was your success granted? जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में आपने अगर अपना आंसर यस में दिया है तो क्या आपको सक्सेस मिली बाद में? और वाज इट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू ट्राई रिगार्डलेस ऑफ अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ फेल्यूर? या आप ये सोचते हो दैट वी शुड ट्राई and we should not bother about the result, that whether we are successful or we are a failure in the work? So, I have explained you the questions well. You will write the answers yourselves, and tomorrow we'll discuss these question answers and we'll start with the second part of this chapter, that is the black aeroplane. Till then, bye.